learn from yesterday. Okay, learn from yesterday, live for today and hope for tomorrow. Okay, learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Oh, I hope you all success in life. Okay, then now we can go here. Samay. Samay means time. Okay, samay ki matlab hai time. Matlab means. Okay, here time. Okay, the first one is aaj. Okay, aaj means today. Aaj मैं मुंबई से आया. I came from Mumbai today. Okay, then the second one is आधी रात. आधी रात. आधी रात means midnight. आधी रात means midnight. Here आधी रात के समय बिजली बंद हो गया. आधी रात के समय बिजली बंद हो गया means EB is cut off in the later night. Later night means midnight. Then kal. Kal means yesterday. We are having both yesterday and tomorrow. Okay, while ending of the sentence only we can know that it is yesterday or tomorrow. Okay, ending of the sentence only we can know it is yesterday or tomorrow. For example, मैं कल पार्क गया. Okay, मैं कल पार्क गया means I went to the park yesterday. Okay, I went to the park yesterday. मैं कल पार्क जाऊंगा. जाऊंगा means tomorrow. By ending the sentence only we can identify that it is yesterday or tomorrow. Then the fourth one is shan. Shan means x second. Okay, we can see that x second. Then fifth one is chamahi. Chamahi means half yearly. In the banks we are having half yearly ending. Okay, bangi में बैंक में half yearly ending है means bangi में chamahi है. Okay, then the sixth one is timahi. Timahi means quarterly. बच्चों की सितंबर महीना में तिमाही होगी. Children are having in the month quarterly exam in the month of September. Okay, now dasabdi. Dasabdi means decade. Dasabdi means decade. Then eighth one is din. Din means day. You all know the day. Then ninth one is दोपहर. दोपहर means noon. मैं दोपहर चावल खाऊंगी. Okay, I eat food in the afternoon. Okay, मैं दोपहर दफ्तर जाऊंगी. Okay, I will go to the office in the afternoon. We can say any sentence and put them in these words. Then here साल वर्षा. साल वर्षा means here. Okay, हर साल मैं गरीबों की मदद करती हूँ. हर साल मैं गरीबों की मदद करती हूँ means every day, every year. Okay, every year I will help the poor by giving them rice. Okay, by giving them rice, shirts, clothes, etc. like that. Then here we are having paraso. Like this kal we are having two meanings for this paraso. Paraso means day after tomorrow and day before yesterday. Okay, here also we can identify the ending of the sentence only we can identify them that it is day after tomorrow or day before yesterday. मैं परसों मेरी दादी माँ की घर चला means I went to my grandmother's house day before yesterday. Okay, day before yesterday. Like that we can say that मैं परसों दिल्ली जाऊंगा. मैं परसों दिल्ली जाऊंगा means I will go Delhi day after tomorrow. Like that. Then 12th one is mahina mark. Mahina mark both for the name month. Okay, हर महीना मैं वेतन लेती हूँ. Okay, हर महीना मैं वेतन लेती हूँ means every month I am receiving my salary. Then minute. Minute means minute. Then 14th ones we already know. Raat means Raat night. Here Sadapti, Sadi, Sadi. That means century. Century. Okay. In खेलते समय हम देखते हैं क्रिकेट देखते हैं हम. Here we are saying that Tendulkar got century. Okay, century like that. Here 16th one is Sham. Sham means evening. मैं शाम को मेरी सहेली की घर जाऊंगी. I will go in the evening. I will go to my friend's house. Okay, like that. Here Sabda, Hafta. Sabda, Abda means week. Okay. हर हफ्ता मैं मंदिर जाऊंगी. Okay. Every week I will go to temple. Then Subag Pratah. Subag Pratah means morning. मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठूंगी. Okay, मैं सुबह 5 बजे उठूंगी means I will woke up in the morning at 5 o'clock. Okay, then Prabhat. Prabhat means here we can say it as early morning. For the sake of early morning, we have to use Prabhat. Then 20th is Paksha Pakvat. Okay, Paksha Pakvat means fortnight. Okay, fortnight means 15 days. Okay, 15 days. Fortnight means 15 days. Once again, I can say you have to understand this. Aaj means today. Then Adi Raat. Adi Raat means midnight. Here Kal. Kal means yesterday and tomorrow. Then fourth one is Shan. Shan means second. Here Chamahi. Chamahi means half yearly. Then Timahi. Timahi means quarterly. Sadapti. Sadapti is decade. Din. Din means day. Dopahar means afternoon. Here I have written as noon. Okay. Sal Varsha. Sal Varsha means year. Okay. Har saal. Naya साल के लिए तुम्हें मुबारक हो. नया साल के लिए बधाई हो means happy new year. Okay. Happy new year. Here Paraso. Paraso means day after, tomorrow, day before, yesterday. Then month. Here month we are having two words, Mahina and Mah. Okay. Then minute. Minute means minutes. Then Raat, night. Here Sadapti, Sadi, Sadi. Okay. Tendulkar Sadi run score sakte. Here. Then Sham. Sham means evening. Saptag. Saptag or Hafta. Both are same. The meaning is week. Okay. Then Subag. Subag means Pratah, morning. Then Prabhat means early morning. Then Paksha. Paksha, Pakvada means fortnight. Okay. These are the words used for timing. Timing means samay. Okay. Hope you understand. Don't keep this video. Watch continually.